2025 Ram Rebel 2500. Hey, look, if you just got one of these, you got a whole bunch of annoying bells and whistles and lights coming on. Geez, you can't even hit the turn signal without the screen, bringing up all kinds of cameras and blinding you at night. It's all stuff that you can turn off in here. But one of the things that I had to do to my, let me see, it was a 2020 Rebel 1500 was turn off this annoying noise. Here, shut down the engine. I just want to listen to the radio with the doors open. And as you know, that door open, chime goes off forever, as if you don't know, as if you don't have to hear it for only a few seconds to say, hey, dummy, you got something left on, turn it off. All right, well, you know what? I'll probably turn off the air conditioning and all that other stuff while I got the door open, listening to the radio, cleaning the truck, whatever. But here's how you get rid of that noise. Okay, I'm done hearing you. Ha ha! Nice.